All right, so this is the cold start before the exhaust. Not gonna cap, I had already cranked it up like 2 seconds before, and I'm like, man, as well get a cold start for the video. But yeah, this basically it is rarely any louder than that. So let's see what it sounds like after the exhaust. What is good, YouTube? You're tuning to A1 Car Reviews, and we back with another video. So as y'all see, we got the charger in the background. I'm cheesing hard as F, hard as fuck. We ain't editing out nothing on this channel. Yeah, I got the charger all cleaned up because we finally finna get some work done to it today. It actually looked pretty good in the camera, but this car got so much pollen on it, y'all, that I literally just washed it about 6 hours ago. But yeah, as y'all see by the title, I will be getting my exhaust work done. We're gonna do some before and after videos. I got a cold start this morning. I may do some revs before we cut the exhaust off, and I'm gonna do some flybys. So yeah, if you like the content, hit that like button, comment on the video, because we're going up all 2023. Alright, YouTube, so we back in the car. Don't do too much on my fit because I'm fresh off of work, even though I'm running into some issues with my boss not paying me 10 hours of overtime. So he probably gonna be hitting me up within a few minutes on this video because I done text him. But yeah, I'm in my charger now. I'm driving it to see if we get any drone, which there's no drone before the exhaust. So I guess I will pick up the camera again once we get the exhaust done. People say once you get the like 2,000 RPMs on highway speeds, the drone is pretty loud. The speed limit is 45 right now. I'm doing under the speed limit, and we're not even at 2 RPMs, almost at 1. So right there is when the drone would be super loud, but we're in 6th gear. I do like 75 a lot because I live on a big highway, open highway, where the speed limit is 65. So I still don't think it'll be unbearable. I keep my music turned up to the max, so I don't think I will it'll be an issue. But yeah, I just wanted to pick the camera up and see, just show y'all what the drone on the inside of the car sound like before the exhaust delete. So I'll just stop talking now and let y'all hear the car once we start moving. Yeah, I don't even think y'all can hear nothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this clip now. YouTube, so we just got done eating some yard bird, them tenders, bro, They was good, cuz. Yeah, so my little cousin over there, he my cameraman. So we just been turning up in the city since I got my exhaust done. Forgot to pick the camera back up. I may give y'all a couple of pulls. It's raining on, like, I ain't gonna say I don't know why I wait till it rains to get my exhaust done, but I was doing my exhaust for my birthday. I'll be 25 in a couple of days. So this was my birthday gift. I'm actually extremely satisfied with the sound. I'm gonna put it back in auto just because I'm recording with my hand. Let me turn the camera around. So as y'all see, we can't be driving too fast, but I bet it's gonna sound loud as fuck over in this. Let me shift down. Yes, sir. Now we getting 19 miles to the gallon. I was getting a little over 20 miles on the way up here, but then was like all highway miles. We've been cutting up in the city and stop and go traffic. So that's why I feel like that went down. Listening at the drone, it's not really that, it's loud in the car, but we can still talk to each other and hear our conversation. People were saying when you do the muffler and resonator deletes, it becomes too loud inside the car and you can't really hear a conversation. Also, my car already had flowmasters. Like my uncle, when he heard my car, seen my car, he was like, my car is not stock. And he was right. My uncle got a garage with like 1, 2, 3, about 4 cars, muscle cars in the garage. He got an SS. He know his cars, y'all. And he said from the day I bought this car, it was not stock. And he was definitely true. Right. But yeah, we finna go ahead and cut on some tunes, how Rail to Rail would say it. We finna turn some music on, y'all, and just ride back to Panama City Beach. We may finish the video out with some flybys. I may add them all together, so this will probably be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe, because we are out. Peace. Of course they get in my lane when I hit the gas.
Fuck.
God damn. Good God, boy. Yeah, look at the smoke in that motherfucker. Good God, boy. Hey. I swear to God.
Shit. I ain't mean to smoke you out, cuz. I ain't mean to smoke you out, cuz.
I swear to God.
Bro. Alright, YouTube. So I kind of did the same thing on the last cold start. I crunked the car up and shut it right back off. And like, let me pick the camera up. So it's already been crunked once for a few seconds. So let's crank it back up and see if we can get that extreme growl again. And this is after the exhaust work. license plate just expired today because today is my birthday. So I cut it off so y'all can hear me. Y'all heard how it was kind of quieting down a little bit, but it was still extremely loud. It's louder today than it was yesterday and the day I did it. Maybe once my car fully warms up, like when it's on idle, you cannot hear the exhaust like really at all. But it's pretty loud this morning. I was gonna remote start it one more time, but now I gotta go and start it inside the car because I've already started it twice. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how it sounds. That's my birthday gift. I'm thinking about buying some either BBK or Cook's long tube headers, long tube or shorty headers. I'm not exactly sure, but I need the car to be louder on idle. I just don't like how quiet it is on idle, and I may pick the camera up when I drive it and then it quiet down on idle, because right now it's extremely loud on idle. Maybe because I just woke up, as y'all can see. We had a lit night last night, and just everything is just so loud right now. But yeah, the car is super loud, y'all. Let's see, you got my Chrysler 300 right here. Probably won't drive that car at all this week because I'm just trying to drive the Charger. But yeah, I got them things. I'm taking the 22s off the Charger and putting them on the Chrysler, and I'm getting the exact same 22s. Exact same style of rims, but 24s, and going back on the Charger with them. Yeah, I've been turning up this weekend. Happy birthday to moi. I think I told y'all this car had flowmasters on it. Somebody had already did exhaust work. Let's see if we can turn that around. Y'all see flowmasters. But yeah, they still wasn't loud enough for me, so I took them off. That pipe in the middle is from this Mustang. We are doing exhaust work to it. My pop's actually welding as we speak. But yeah, let me see if I can find somebody to record me getting flybys, and we'll finish this video. Peace.